what should I say? Thanks for watching and all that stuff. Let us know your tips and tricks.
No, I don't care about their
eyeliner.
I don't care about their tips and tricks.
So then you end just. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, ENV. Today we're just doing a small tutorial about eyeliner and lashes because that completes the whole look.
The two main ingredients to beat face
and eyebrows. But let's say you don't want to do foundation and none of the works, but you want to step out real quick. If your eyebrows is done, you have your eyeliner and your lashes, you are set to go. So I'm just going to show you how to quickly do eyeliner, quickly do eyelash. I know it's kind of complicated for some people, but of course with everything it is practice. So I'm first going to do it on my face and I'll do it on Vanessa's face, but just tune in and watch the rest. So as you can see, I have my makeup done. I did the foundation, the under eye concealer, the dark concealer. I didn't do highlighter, I did my eyebrows. I did this eye, I did the lashes, and I did the eyeliner, and that's what I'm gonna show you on this eye. So I know it seems like the simplest things, but I've been getting requests on it because I guess it's complicated for some people. I did have to learn how to do eyeliner properly. So the eyeliner that I tend to use, the NYX matte. It is thin like this. I like it because it has, once you get the hang of it, you can have a lot of control. However, you gotta be careful since it's liquid that it doesn't smudge everywhere because that will mess up the whole works that you got going on. So I'm just gonna show you how I apply it. So how I apply it is, you can either hold onto your skin and then pull it out to give you a cat eye effect. I don't like doing that because I don't want to smudge my makeup. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take it from the corners. And I already made a mistake, as you can see, but it's okay. I like my eyeliner thick. You may have to build with it because it's a thin brush. I like it from the tip. That's what he said. You kind of gotta hold your breath because if not, it's gonna be all over and it's gonna be a hot mess. I'm gonna dip it in a little bit more, dry it out. I'm gonna just bring it all out. So as you can see, I'm not done, but the beginning is exactly how I want it. I kept building onto it. I'm gonna just fill it in now. And I like to do a little wing, like how you can see on this side. I'm gonna just wing it out. Gonna bring it from the bottom to me. And then just color all of that in, fill it in. And this is how I like my eyeliner. So I'm gonna just go under again. So I like to put it under my eyeline. And that's about it. I don't really do much. If I like it thicker, I'll just do it thicker. But I just like the pigment it gives you when you use liquid eyeliner. But you have to be precise with the control. That's the only bad thing about it. So on to the next step. I'm going to use mascara. Because as you can see when I did my makeup, the foundation is on my eyelashes and stuff like that. You just want to get that out. I'm using Maybelline. Just gonna fluff it out. Get the color out of my foundation. I'm gonna do the same on the bottom. I'm gonna return back to mascara once I place my eyelash, but let's get to the eyelash. So I have these eyelashes from Amazon that I purchased that I absolutely love. It's not too thick, it's not too small. I tend to go for bigger lashes because my eyeballs are bigger, so it stands out more than the smaller ones do. So this is the lash that I will be using. I don't know if you can see. I use hair glue. because I know you shouldn't use hair glue because of the chemicals. I don't like using eyelash glue because it cannot stand the elements. I live in New York. When it's winter and it's windy, it's gonna come off in the corner. Hair glue can stand it all. The wind can be blowing full pressure and it's gonna stick on. So that's why I tend to use eyelash glue more than I use actual eyelash glue. I use hair glue instead. So, and you can clean it off easier. It gets like sticky and bulky. You could just rip it off and reuse the eyelash. I'm gonna just place the glue on, not a lot. Just kind of swipe it on there like that. That's a bit too much. I'm gonna wipe it off. Cool. Now, how I place my eyelash is I like it towards the corner. I like this little slant thing like my eyes does. So I'm gonna aim more towards the corner than inside the corner of my eyes, because number one, what happens is that you don't want it to start sticking where it'll be hard for you to separate your lashes. You want it towards the end. You don't want to aim for your own natural lashes. You just want it for as close as possible to your lash line as you can get. So let's do this. I'm placing it on top of my lashes and I'm gonna push down closer to my lash line. Now I'm just gonna turn it so it can fit the way I want. I think I got it. I'm shocked I did it in one shot. Actually, no, I do this every day. Used to it. So as you can see, like, it's not close in the corner. I know whoever has smaller lash, you may want to cut the lashes. I know lashes can be too long or too short. Make it fit how you want. They're not so short, but like I said, I like it towards the ends more so than in the corner. And that is it. So V beat her face.
Barely.
I did her eyeliner and her eyelash, and I want you guys to see the difference. Your face can be beat, but that is like the finishing touches. The eyeliner and the eyelash, it just pulls it all together. So exactly what I did to my face, I'm going to do to her face on the other side so you guys can see.
I'm ready, girl. Make me beautiful.
Okay. So remember when I was telling you one of the methods is holding down your eye? I'm going to do that for her since she wants that slant. Listen.
I thought why I gotta do work too?
Okay. I'm gonna bring it from the corner and then just drag it out. And she be shaking like a stripper. I don't know nervous. Why are you nervous?
I have no idea.
And then I'm just gonna wing it out. So I did one thin line just to get the line right. It's gonna make it easier just to build on top of that. So I'm gonna build on top. Stop shaking, please.
I'm nervous.
That was a thick one. Gotta kind of be swift with messing with liquid eyeliner. And then I'm gonna just make the ends a little thicker. Let me just, get in the corner is perfect. Cool.
I look good?
You look great. Open your eye. Poppin'. Then we're gonna do,
let me look,
the eyelash. Did she put mascara on? No, she did not, because I can see her foundation on her eyelashes.
My bad.
But the next step you would want to do is put on mascara. And I'm going to put on her other lash now. Using lashes that she provided. I put the hair glue on my arm using tweezers. Gonna swipe it up just to put it on the lash.
You make it look so easy.
It really is. It's really not difficult. But like with anything, the more you practice, the more easier it becomes. You're gonna want to get super close into the line, not on her lashes so it doesn't pull her lash out. Just get close enough. Be careful not to touch her skin because then it will stick. And it's perfect. It's low enough that it blends in with her lashes, but it's not on her lashes. Open your eye. Perfect. How does it feel?
Feels good.
Feels good. She's used to lashes. Of course, if you're new to lashes, it's gonna feel crazy. It's gonna feel heavy. But we're done. And look at finishing looks. It's
Let me
literally
see real quick.
eyeliner, eyelash. It'll finish up your whole face. Get the side profile. They need to see this wing. Blank, close your eye. It's
think I heard
liner and lashes.
Liner and lashes, I love that.
And you're good, ma'am.
Hope you guys enjoyed that quick little tutorial. Eyelashes and eyeliner. What was it?
Eyeliner and eyelashes.
Oh.
Same difference.
Thanks for watching, you guys. Until next time. Bye.
Bye.